Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to make money by using artificial intelligence, AI, in creating YouTube videos. We'll use the GP chatbot, the Play, Hate platform for text-to-speech narration, and Canva for video editing. The first step is to select the right niche for our YouTube channel. We'll utilize the GPU chatbot, which can generate creative ideas based on the questions asked. Let's see how it works. Thanks to the GI chatbot, we can receive suggestions for niches that align with our interests and skills. We'll choose a niche that inspires us the most and move forward. Now that we have our script, let's proceed to have it narrated. We'll use the Play Hot platform, which provides professional voice recordings. It's an excellent way to add a professional touch to our video. After selecting the voiceover artist, we can listen to the narrated script and ensure its accuracy and clarity. Now let's move on to the next step. Now it's time for video editing. We'll use Canva, which offers templates, effects, and tools for creating professional videos. We can add photos, text, special effects, and customize the look of our video. Once we have our video edited and ready, it's time to share it with the world. We'll utilize the power of social media platforms to reach a wider audience and potentially monetize our content. Let's explore how we can do that. YouTube is a great platform for sharing our videos. We'll upload our edited video, write a captivating title and description that accurately represents our content, and make sure to optimize our tags and keywords to improve discoverability. In addition to YouTube, we can leverage other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. By sharing our video content on these platforms and using relevant hashtags and engaging captions, we can expand our reach and attract more viewers. As we start to gain viewers and build a loyal audience, it's crucial to engage with them. Responding to comments, asking for feedback, and creating a sense of community will foster a stronger connection with our viewers. When it comes to monetization, there are several avenues we can explore. YouTube's AdSense program allows us to earn revenue through advertisements. We can also consider brand partnerships, selling merchandise, or using platforms like Patreon to offer exclusive content to our most dedicated fans. And there you have it. By harnessing the power of AI in niche selection, utilizing text-to-speech narration, leveraging video editing tools like Canva, and promoting our content on social media, we can pave the way for monetizing our YouTube videos. Remember to stay consistent, create quality content, and connect with your audience. Good luck on your YouTube journey.